Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today is 26th of October 2021, day day 3 in Cox'S Bazar. So now it's almost 8 a.m. I woke up and thought that why not go and have some breakfast, because the breakfast is complimentary with the room. So let's go and see what kind of complimentary breakfast is available. Let's go. হ্যাঁ, ব্রেকফাস্ট কোন দিকে? Hey guys, it's on the ground floor restaurant. Yeah, breakfast কোন দিকে? Oh, found it. Here's the breakfast hall. Super huge. Huge arrange of food and plates and everything. Loads of items to choose from. Huge section of breakfast. Juice, breads, toasts, cakes, omelets. So guys, let's go and have some breakfast. Lots of things to choose from. So I don't know what I'm gonna have. So let's go and start. Hey guys, got some egg noodles and pancake. Now toasting the bread. Super engineering toasting bread. Hey guys, these are the breakfast that I took. Pancake, noodles and toasts and butter and jelly. And this one is Indian breakfast: chicken curry, mixed vegetable, dal and paratha, and papaya juice. So let's go and try it. It looks super yummy, and probably it's gonna also taste super yummy. So let's dig in. Hey guys, super yummy. Especially this one, the Indian breakfast is super yummy. And then the English breakfast is also yummy, but I think the Indian one is my favorite now. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, all done. Now let's go and have some coffee or maybe more juice as well. Hey guys, let's make some coffee. Coffee cup mountain, coffee cup puzzle. Hey guys, got the coffee in the cup. Now pour hot water. Now sugar. Coffee mate. Plain coffee making done. Hey guys, had a super yummy breakfast and now enjoying the coffee that I make like few minutes ago. So this was just a breakfast video, the complimentary breakfast that comes with the room in Seagull Hotel, Cox'S Bazar, and I'm gonna end this vlog now. And if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, share, like and share my videos. And after subscribing, press the bell icon to get notification of the next new video. And yeah, so see you guys in the next one.